Happy Monday! It's 10:33. Dito kami sa SMC side.
Cebu.
It's our last day today kasi bukas yung flight namin at 12 noon. And yeah, so dito lang kami the whole day to spend time ng aming family.
Tonight we'll have dinner, New Star for mommy and daddy's anniversary. Yeah.
Ha? Guys, Jollibee na kami.
Yes,
Oh, with toy daddy. Binigyan kami ng ganito guys para kay Jollibot. Ayan. Place the tracker here. So, Ana. Ana.
Yeah.
Punta na dito si Jollibot. Oh. Jake, na Jake. There's more?
Thank you. Bye.
Ah, bye. Wow. Bye-bye. Mercy Coco, no? Our order is here, guys.
Okay, okay na dito.
Gani.
Ang kita pa makita.
Gano'y ka itong hotpot?
Kasi hindi gutom na sa body ba?
Magic? Dali mo na daw. Pero mato ka sa center block shop.
Naka sila sa
Wala sa daw?
Napapel.
Halili ka tong kang RJ? Ang back yan sa banda.
Saan na lang na, daddy, ah? Itang box, ano yun?
wala.
Hey, worst comes to worst.
Kami grade 12.
Busog ang aming Jacob. We're done, guys. So busog.
Durian, malunggay ice cream.
Nag-open sila na yun.
Kuya, uy, malunggay ice cream. Kuya, mga fruits, no? What is that? Oh, it's a mechanical eraser, Jay.
Yep.
Eraser, then that's a glue.
Yeah. I think it's for school.
Yeah, that's for school. Eraser. Look, can you pick it up, please? Eraser. Asobo.
What's this one?
Okay, we have to go kay Harvard.
What's this?
Eraser. Yeah. Eraser lang. You do like this. Go, you go na kay daddy's paying for the... Go. Tapos na kami kumain, guys. Andito kami sa department store. We are looking for balikbayan box. Ang hirap pala makahanap ng balikbayan box, no? Like, may nahanap sila ng mga school supplies.
I'm gonna go do this kid.
What is that? Is that an eraser? Highlighter? No, it's a sharpener. Sharpener nga, oh. Jake, it's a sharpener.
It's not a
It's
pencil
not-
sharpener. It's not pencil sharpener. Pencil sharpener.
It's not a pencil sharpener, pero ano to? Oh.
It may.
This one na, right? This is the one? Ito daw yung gusto niya. Highlighter. So, ano to? Pencil sharpener. Ha?
Got it for Jacob.
Oh, thank you, Di, ha?
I'd like 1,000 pesos and like I need to spend them all.
Thank you lang, ga.
Correct.
I thought you want to buy kuan, Lego.
No. I felt like getting Lego since it's like the only thing I can like afford. Like that will like spend the most money, but like I think this is better.
Oh, there's more pa. Maybe you can
I'm
keep
okay.
looking. You're okay? Hanap muna kami ng ano guys, ng package, balikbayan box. Kasi wala pa kami nahanap. And we need 2 more. Guys, dito tayo sa pasalubong center. Bili na tayo ng pasalubong. Oh yes, ngayon pa lang kami bibili ng pasalubong. Looks good. Ay. O, diba? Hanap muna tayo ng pasalubong, guys. Finally, kanina di, Travel Junior, di po, no? Gamay ra nino.
Okay, pwede naman.
Gamay ra? Pero murag kuan na gina siya dali pang 50 kuan
No, pang 50, kuhan din eh, pang 50 pounds.
pounds.
Kanang brown daw.
Kana na lang.
Kaya daw pa tayo, hindi siya dahil mahugaw.
Guya di mo siya ba?
Para hindi daw mabilis mahugaw.
Quality ka to sa. Kung sa inyong tanaw, lahi man ito mo kuhan. Kuhan.
Pareha raman sila dali.
Lera.
Yeah.
Oh, kani mo lagi mo sa nung tanaw. Kani white mas
Di mo
gahi.
pa differentiate oy.
Ang kani ay,
Yes, please. Wala ka record na lang po.
butangin mga pictures niya sa mga yung team ko vlog sa sticker.
Busog daw ah, kanina.
Ako take push.
Yung pagdating ng target promo, yes, please. Wala ka record na lang po.
Parehara siya. Nag-model pa din siya, uy. Ah, nangibuhi dito. Sige, be. Gusto din. Sige na. Gusto din mag-model yan.
Tapos bili tayo ng straw. Di ba yan na siya dali magisi?
Kana?
Dali siya magisi kung paana, pero kung imuha siyang patakilid, oh di ba ya?
So, say color na po dati.
Black lang siguro para nice, black and white.
Para fashion.
Napay ready ay dadi o dag.
Gramo pag ka dito sa nila ba? Excuse me. Wala may
Wala ay color.
Kuha na lang yellow, black o green.
Pati ang balikbayan box nga ipangitaan pa dyan mo.
Kanina lang ko eh.
Libog-libog pa dyan.
Saninaan.
Kanina lang.
Siya man,
Busy na kayo
siya man siguro gigutom eh.
Eh ganyan, pagkuha, kailangan pinanaanak sa video. Hindi gud pwede upuan. Ano sa mga gid, oy. Ibog naman lang tao eh.
Tulod ra? Napa oh. Thank you. Balikan muna namin sila angkong kasi wala pa silang lunch guys. Anong oras na? Sbarro guys. Bili tayo ng lunch ng mga kids. Jacob wants to try the lasagna. Very nice yung view. Wow. Ayan. Looks really good. Lamig ba kayo tanawon, oh?
Yeah.
Hi. You give atsek lang ka? That's your favorite na lasagna?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay. Ito yung sa akin guys, thirsty fruit salad.
I don't think I like the meat.
That's okay. It's tasty man if there's meat. Yeah. Okay. Thank you, man. Nag-rice ba ako ganun niya, spaghetti? Sobrang sarap eh. I will miss this. May ano siya sa loob. Ito. And then, ito apple. And then grapes. Lychee. And then, Philippine mango. May ano pa siya, yung coconut. Yung coconut tapos ano siya, yung may condensed milk. So good. And meron pang pineapple. Kain muna tayo guys. Saan mo na pagduwa? Lang ka. Kada ko. Pila man to ka point. Ay, ticket. Big one.
Okay. Kailan naka-check na katubog abot ni mo, Jake?
I'm actually.
Anak kay ka, you know that guy that looks like me? Like my brother.
This is Daddy. The driver's Liha. The camera's mommy, and the camera's mommy.
Andiyan lang. Where's your
And
glasses?
the
Ang
camera.
glasses, chick.
Where's your glasses?
Yung glasses.
Oh, I just need it.
Tuloy na ni.
Oh, hey.
Oh.
Hey, Atik.
Hi.
Where are we going, Atik?
Going somewhere.
We're somewhere.
The somewhere.
New Star.
Okay.
We're going back to
Can I get chicken nuggets? John?
In your dreams.
I want chicken nuggets.
No.
Why are you laughing? That's you.
Ano na laugh mo, Jake? Lingaw kay Jake.
I'm just following you, Atik. New Star.
New Star. Dito na tayo. Diyan kami kakain guys sa Cafe Laguna. Mamaya, kasi maaga pa, 5:30 pa yung ano natin, appointment, reservation I mean. I don't know kung ano yung i-order ko dito. And then may ano din sila, rice. Alige, wow, alige fried rice. Bagoong. Kalami ani, oy, okay ba kung anong kuan? Yammers. Thank you. Lami asa kuan na crispy kangkong. Ay, naro di ay ano.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, miss. Kumakain si Diha, crispy kangkong. He loves it. First time yan na-try yan. Guys, kalami ani uy. Wow. Try natin to.
Water. Ayun dito, wala na rin sulod. There's no fun.
Happy anniversary! Happy anniversary! Happy anniversary to you! Nakuha, uy! Imora na tanan na di.
Crispy bata.
Itong puto bongbong guys comes with a pandan tea. Wow! Grabe ako humute. Ang bango ng pandan ha. Ganito daw sa kainin guys. Kumain ka muna.
Bombong yan. Kainin mo muna siya.
and then drink yung pandan tea after. Yeah.
You're finish siya po.
Just sip.
Ang init. Wow, ang bango.
Smells good.
Perfect combination, guys. It's a must try.
Yeah. Maraming tao guys, pupunta lang dito just to eat this.
Oh,
Snacks
really?
lang, yeah.
Sarap yung tea nila, oh. Pandan na pandan. Ano to? What's this? Ang saan man yung pagkaon? Espasol. Ah, espasol. Espasol. Say. Yung texture niya parang ano yung rice. Dapat natin yun. Guys, in Palitaw, it's been a while. Oh, good.
Sweetness pa.
It's crap. Parang ano to, salted egg. Bibingka. Kasi yun ang English na bibingka. Right cake.
So guys, kain kayo nito. And while kumakain kayo, huwag niyong ubusin muna and then drink the tea. Because yung magbe-blend kasi siya sa taste ng kukubuko.
Pandan tea.
Yeah. Happy anniversary, Mada! Happy anniversary! How many years daw, Mada? 43. It means I'm old too. Yeah.
Nagka na yan.
Oh, apple. Ooh, yummy. Even Jaden, guys, likes it. Good job, Nak.
Sobrang busog. Punta muna kami sa time zone, guys, sa taas kasi si Jacob gusto pumunta doon. Ang hirap na lumakad, guys. Sobrang busog. Lakay sila, guys. Fasten your seatbelt. Ahia's here. Ahia, tsaka si Atchek. 1-7.
You have 1,800 something. 1,800 something, Charo.
O, kanay, helicopter, oh. 1-8 pila. Redeem na namin yung ticket nila. They have 1-8 something. Oh, electric fan, oh. Maguba man dayo na langga.
No, it's not. It's meant like this. Manual fan.
Ah, manual fan. You like that?
It's strong.
But you don't need that one because we're going back.
It's strong too, though.
This one, Jake, oh? Ah, that one. That's so cute. Oh, Jacob, look. This one, puppy.
Yeah, Jacobs.
Both of you. Kawawa mo ng ating Jacob. Emotional naman yan. Yan. Ito talaga yung hardest part of ano guys. Yung hardest part of vacation.
You tell Ate to go to Canada. Visit you next.
One day, just one day. Yeah,
By the time Ate visits you in Canada, you're taller than Ate.
Sa una lang namang jik-jik.
Look at Jacob's eyes. Jacob, look.
Ayun lang. Ay, sad na si Jacob. He's sad. Nasa ko na unsa na niya akong face value guys. Medyo nilingi na gid daring dapita mo rin medyo may laman-laman na tayo. It's time. It's 6 in the morning and we're getting ready. Actually ready na ako. Ready na, everybody's ready. Papunta na kami ng airport by 7 o'clock kasi yung flight natin is 12 lunchtime, 12 noon. And the baby is already sad. May iniwan siya guys. Tingnan niyo. Ayan. Sinulat yan ni Diha. Tapos si Jacob ang pumili ng stuffed toy na yan.
Bili na nga siya. Bili na lang na. Oo.
Ayun. Oh.
Ayaw, gusto na may daanan. Oo.
Big, you big na lang. You big. Bring some to your bag. Sa your bag.
Gusto na may dala.
Bye-bye, Lo. Oh,
Hi ka.
Sige na.
Bye-bye ko.
Sige, bye-bye. Sige ko, anak. Jacob. Sige, dong.
Bye-bye ko.
Bye-bye, sige na. Oh, sige. Padayon, Juday, ha?
Hi Kotyang. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye ko. Bye-bye ko.
Okay, dali, magklaro ra, dali.
Klaro na.
Thank you kayo.
LJ, come here, dong.
No.
Sa mura sa mabot dito, dahil.
Sa Vancouver.
Oo.
Mga kuan, 7 sa gabi, ugma.
Ugma pa. Oo. Asa man mo mag-guan ro, mag-breakfast.
Sa airport na lang siguro.
Airport
Para,
na lang.
ah,
Jacob.
Si Jacob. Chick.
Jaden.
Jaden.
oh. Bye.
Checkmated. Ako siya limutan na. Saan man nakapagsan niyo mo? Saan ito, mami?
Jacob. Gusto papabalikin niya si Jam sa time zone para
Kanya kay treasure hunt sa inyong kwarto.
Kay treasure hunt?
Kasi kaibigan Jacob.
para gusto niya kasi yung sharpener talaga dun sa time zone. And gusto niya
Di ho na mabigkaong Jacob
madaog ni Jam ba?
sa pag-isanan kaya ara rin sa nako. So yes, Jake, yun ay sa nas. Ay, okay.
place.
Gusto kita siya mapunta na.
So, you say hi. This is for whoever you want.
So I'll just go to the post office and say, hi, I'll just send this to Jacob. It's like that?
Yeah.
Oh, that's so easy.
Yeah. It's so
Yeah.
easy.
Nagana, degba. Degma. Jake. Ano na, Jake? Sige mo kag drink there. Mag-ihi ka lang ga. Ana lang na di. Ipatong di ada di. Ana. Tara niya na in order dito. Okay na? Jacob.
Siya isa ka wish na makatouch daw siya.
Na, unsa ang pag-touch ana?
Action check doon ganyan. Dagat pa. Yan ang mas pinadaan niya.
Oo. Ito na naman kayo magawa talaga yung gano'n.
Thank you for coming.
Give me all your love, oh, 'cause I want you. No one else makes me feel this way. Don't know what you do.
Thank you. Kamu po din.
Hold my hand, could you hold my hand? Look me in the eyes. You and me, yeah, that's all I need, and I'll be alright. I'll be right here. I swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me closer. I wanna stay here with you. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side.
Bye, Jem. Thank you,
Be who you are and you'll be enough. If you're giving me your love, giving me your love.
Las Vegas.
All that we have is each other now. Promise you won't leave my side. I hope who I am is enough for you. If I'm giving you my love, giving you my love, love. Tell me what you wanna do. I'll do anything. As long as I can be here with you, everything's alright. I'll be right here. I swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me closer. I wanna stay here with you. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. Be who you are and you'll be enough. If you're giving me your love, giving me your love. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side.
Bye-bye, Mem.
I hope who I am is enough.
Salamat, Mem.
Giving me my love, giving me my
Bye, Jem. Bye-bye, Dem. Ang sing mo, Dem. Bye-bye, Jem.
Give me love, give me all your love, give me all your love. Give me love, give me all your love, give me all your love. Give me love, give me all your love, give me all your love.
Thank you. Oh, we
Dear passengers, we are ready for takeoff. Please make sure that your seatbelts are securely fastened.
You open your food. Can I see? Same thing man as the last time. There's a chicken there. That's a chicken. Ito yung sa akin, guys. Beef on rice. Ay, nahulog siya. Kain, guys. Baby. Eat first. Eat. So, diha na talaga. How's the food diha? Yummy? Wow. Ito pa yung brunch namin. Hindi na kasi kami kumain kanina. Diretso na kami sa airplane. Bon appetit diha. Kumain agad si Jacob. Ito yung food. Sorry, baby. Rice. What's that one? This one. Katsu. Chicken katsu. And then, the soup looks yummy. Did you pray, baby? Okay. Ano to? Masarap siya. Medyo matamis na very tasty na ewan. And akala ko mainit. Malamig pala siya. Masarap. Parang panghimagas. Saan di-order ayan?
Just chicken.
Chicken? Chicken nuggets?
No, chicken here.
No. Mura na yung i-eat? With rice or no?
Fries and
Nandito na si Daddy, guys. Ito yung binili niya.
Wonton with chili oil.
Yakan eh.
And beef noodle. Yeah, with boba.
Boba. Wow. Naku, ilang serving, no?
Yeah.
Thank you, Daddy. Una siya yung mga gelatin. Yung collagen ba? Ito, guys, parang may collagen ng beef. Ng beef. And then, masarap din siya. Sikat daw to dito sa Taiwan. Nakita lang to ni Jamal sa TikTok. And then, sabi niya kapag kung pupunta kayo ng Taiwan or mag-stop over kayo ng Taiwan, it's a must. Tapos, masarap din to. Very spicy. Kain muna tayo, guys. Makain na din si Aya. McDonald's chicken and fries. Walang rice. Aya, you want some?
Manok yun ha, manok.
Lan, dako asam manok. Lami?
Kami aya?
Wa po din sila rice, no?
Wala.
Lami po.
Taiwan din. Silang origin na sa mga
Mojo, no? Ito, mojo. Masarap. No? Halang. Kain tayo, guys. Busog pa ako. Kasi kumain na kami sa airplane. Yung biyahe from Cebu to Taiwan is only 2.5 hours. And then while the airplane, nag-serve na sila ng food, rice tsaka chicken, rice with beef.
or chicken with rice.
Yeah.
So yung meal nila dito guys sa McDonald's is around $9 to $10. Combo na yun.
Wow. Busog ka na nun.
Yeah, malaki
Malaki nga.
yung burger nila. Trust me. Like, look, nahihirapan nga ako.
Malaki nga.
Yeah, and malaki yung fries and look at yung drink nila. Diba? And we paid $27 for Canadian for 3 combos. Yeah.
Sulit na nun yan. Magkano to lahat?
This one is $540. $540.
May bubble tea nga, guys.
New Taiwan dollar.
Hindi nyo lang nakikita pero may bubble tea na feel ko. Yeah. Try natin itong boba nila. Masarap siya, hindi siya masyadong matamis. Tapos yung boba niya, parang ma-melt na sa mouth mo. It's good idea.
Good. You know what's very tempting?
What, unsa lang ba?
Oh, just person that almost look like Mama.
Really? Ganina it's ako, Atsek, and Angkong. Now it's Ama. Aww. I think it's because you just miss them. No? It's okay. You wanna call them? That's okay? You can call them. They're online. Did you see what Ama did to your piggy bank? Look. They wrapped it.
So it won't get dirty.
Yeah, so it won't get dirty. It won't get dusty. They want to preserve it. Aww, that's so cute. Ito kasi yung iniwan nila ni Jayden at ni Jacob. Tapos nag-send ng picture si Ama na ni-wrap around nila ng plastic para hindi hindi maalikabukan. Umiiyak na yan. Kawawa man tong baby namin, oy. It's okay, we will see them next time. Oh. It's okay. Mag-play na lang kag-iPad.
Yeah.
Pagkatapos siya kasing kumain, naglakad-lakad si Jacob. Tapos,
Get the iPad.
every time na bumabalik siya, sinasabi niya sa amin, may nakikita siya na looks like Ama, Atsek, ako. Oh, baby. Lahat na kung sino-sino na lang yung nakikita niya, guys. Namimiss niya talaga yung family back home. Kaya, I let him play iPad para maliw yung utak niya. Yan yung binili niya, oh. Naka. Oh, little bit. Uy, kagamay ra pud. Put more. Yeah. Ay, that's enough, that's enough. That one. Tapos na maglaro ng iPad, na bored na. Ayan. The candy tastes so good, Jake. Jacob. So good. I like that.
Thank you.
Thank you, bebe. Masarap. Ito yung binili niya. May nakalagay na Minions. Sino yan? Si Gru? Ayan. Kain na naman. Ito yung ano niya kinakain yung Reese. Yung peanut butter. Peanut butter. Ayos kana.
Jacob,
Okay. And then Dihan.
May go behind.
Nadar na ka Dihan. Nana si Dihan. 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 Your face. Oh, shucks. How's Jacob? Why? Ganun ka mo man. Video.
Hi everyone, before this video is going to end, we just like to thank a lot of people with this vacation. Supposedly this is just a personal vacation with our immediate family, but we are just so blessed that a lot of people extended their blessing to us. I'd like to thank Sir Joseph Singson and Sir Jonathan for accommodating us at J Park Resort and Water Park. We'd like to thank C-Team, Dico po, ako po. It was great to see you, and we are just so grateful for the blessing that you have extended to us. And we'd like to thank Auntie Lina and Tatay and the Sabit family sa pabaon. Thank you. It was good to see all of you and the family. And I also like to thank my batchmate for taking the time to, from out of your busy day to meet me and just have fellowship. And I'm just so grateful for it, for the lost times that mga chika and everything. And we also like to acknowledge Faith and Mike. Thank you so much for one of the dinner, the sumptuous dinner that we had, and we're just lamig yung kayo. And special thank you din kay Tita Alma for our sumptuous dinner at City Sports. We really enjoyed our dinner. It's a first time experience for us to be there, and we're just so grateful for it. Thank you so much. We also like to thank Mama and Papa for accommodating us when we were at Leyte. And also especially Nanay. Happy birthday again, Nay. 100th birthday. Grabe good ni siya ka kuan sa mo, blessing and great memories for us to be able to spend 100th birthday with you, and we're just so grateful. And we also like to thank ako and Ama and Kotyong, even sa gamay nga time that we were there in the Philippines, nakaspend time sa Mininyo. And we're just so grateful for it. Last but not the least, to my family, to my parents, and to my siblings. It was a great memories. Guys, when we were lining up at the airport, sa pag-check-in, I was standing there with my family, and nakatalikod ako sa labas, guys, dahil alam ko kasi na yung parents ko and yung sister ko was looking inside from the outside. And nung lumingon kasi ako, nakita ko yung parents ko, and napaluha ako sa inside because it's been 18 years na nalayo din ako sa kanila. I am just so grateful because I won't be the person who I am right now, not because of them. And I owe them a lot, especially my parents. And yung those endless nights that yung mom ko will always pray for me for the times that I was a prodigal son, and even at times na I was a rebellious kid. My parents' love never changed, and I'm just so thankful that you have invested a lot in me. And kaya after nung nag-check-in kami, guys, hindi ko natiis, but I went back outside to hug them for the last time. Kasi I don't know what the future plan is. Hindi ko alam kailan ko na naman sila makikita. But I just want to hug them for the last time and just want to thank them and just be grateful for everything that they have sacrificed for me. And I just want to tell them that I love them so much. And saying goodbye is never easy, but the trip was worth it. And I thank God for the wonderful opportunity nga
nakauwi kami guys, and my family, even my own family, have cherished great memories looking back all the videos and yung mga pictures namin, and we're just so grateful that we're able to do it. To all of you, we just like to thank everyone for being with us in this journey of our family. Again guys, thank you so much for watching our videos. God bless. Hope everyone is well. To God be the glory. Psalms 46:10, I will always be still, that know that He is God.